This is container GLL. This is a three-sided container. Its walls are made of round tube, which together with rare mesh of container make it lighter in comparison with similar product. It is completed with two doors with so-called complete opening. That is, when the door is open, it is parallel to the side walls. To close the doors, you easily slide them up and down onto the joints on the side wall. Container can be completed with dismountable, swivel and foldable shelves with clips. Standard set includes two shelves. Shelves have unique construction. They are easily folded in vertical position along the side wall. Thus, they make one entire unit inside the container. Shelves can be completely removed if needed. There is plastic sheet on the bottom of container, which protects linen from dirtying. It can be also removed if needed. All the containers are fitted with casters with ball bearing of diameter 125 mm. In standard package you get two swivel and two fixed casters. Upon client's request, it is possible to supply swivel casters with brake. Each container has on its side wall metal plate, where you can put branded label or magnet plate. If needed, upon client's request, instead of a nameplate there can be metal pocket to put the documents there. Upon request, container can be completed with such accessory like foot keep. It decreases the efforts during the movement, especially when roll container is fully loaded. We use two types of finishing for this container: cold or hot dip galvanizing. Shelves can be only cold galvanized. Thickness of cold galvanizing finishing is 8–12 microns and there is no internal covering. However, hot dip galvanizing creates thicker layer of covering of 70 microns. That is, it makes construction more robust. Together with it ensures internal covering. Weight of container can be from 37 to 40 kilograms. We'd like to pay special attention to the quality of welding connections. Each rod of wire is welded along the whole perimeter, not just in one place, which makes welding connection strong. Consequently, the whole container is more robust and safe. External dimensions of container GLL are: container can hold up to 250 kilograms. Thus, to sum up, container GLL has in its center set two dismountable, swivel and foldable shelves with clips, two swivel and two fixed casters, metal pocket or metal nameplate, plastic sheet on the bottom. It can be additionally completed with swivel casters with brake, foot keep, magnet plate or branded label.